The daily code snippet. With the Srcset attribute, you are telling the browser not only about the image, but also its size in advance of loading. You can indicate this by stating the width of the image or its pixel density. The Srcset offers a comma-separated list of possible images. Higher pixel density images are used for high DPI retina displays. It is best not to mix notation by widths and pixel density in a single statement. In this example, the media attribute is used to specify which group of images to evaluate first based on whether we are on a device with a landscape orientation or a portrait orientation. Based on the width of the screen, the browser will then choose the appropriate image in the first example. In a portrait orientation, the browser will choose the correct image based on the pixel density of the device. If the browser does not find an appropriate image in the source attribute, it will fall back to use the image in the image element. With Srcset, order matters. Once the browser finds an image that works, it will stop looking at the rest of the options, so keep this in mind when writing your code. Presented by Designers Learn Code.